Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kings23Kicks back in the building, back in the castle. Finna drop another video for y'all, but today it's a different kind of video. So, first thing first, need everybody to smash that like button, you know what I'm saying, when you step up in the scene. And I need you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel already. And if you're already part of the kingdom, welcome to the kingdom. Greatly appreciate you, my royalty team. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate you rocking with your boy. So, today is Sunday. Today is another sneaker cleaning Sunday. But today is a little different. Now, normally when I do my sneaker cleaning Sundays, you guys know that I'll do random, I don't know if I want to say random. I just grab different products and I try to show you guys how they are. But, you know what I'm saying, your boy done teamed up with GOAT, and that's the greatest of all time. Now, don't get it twisted. This is not the GOAT selling app. You know what I'm saying? This is GOAT Shoe Care Official. This is the gold standard, and I'm really excited about working with these people because, it's the gold standard. And, being that I feel like I'm royalty, you know what I'm saying, it kind of goes with me, you know what I'm saying, it's the king. We're going to make this happen, you know what I'm saying? So the thing is with this, you're going to get this kit here. They have it. It's a one-stop shop kit. Now, with this kit, now when I say the gold standard, as you guys can see, I mean the presentation. First of all, the box. Check out the box. The box is embroidered in gold. You know what I'm saying? That's real stuff there. I like that. Now in this box, you're going to get your premium cleaning brush, a microfiber towel, premium shoe cleaner, and you're also going to get some cleaning wipes as well. You know what I'm saying? And your shoe protector. You got to have that. So even with this, I mean, look at the presentation. Bruh. That is dope. You can't tell me that is not dope. You know what I'm saying? The presentation is dope as hell. I like that. You know what I'm saying? And I'm really excited about working with these guys. And they're giving your boy his own code. Now, go use Kings23Kicks for 15% off of your purchase. Now go help your boy out. 15% off of your purchase. Anything that you get on there using my code, you know what I'm saying, on premium shoe cleaner. So I'm actually going to use one of these shoes to clean, and I'm going to show you guys how well this stuff works. So as you guys can see there, you know what I'm saying, there's some stuff that's on there, you know what I'm saying. You got spots, little mud spots, that you know what I'm saying, we definitely want to try to get off of there. So I have some shoe horns that I have. I usually use, and I'm going to use these to kind of support the shoe, and then we're going to knock this out, and then I'm going to show you guys how this works. Alright, be right with you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the shoe cleaner. So you get a 4-ounce bottle of shoe cleaner here, and as a matter of fact, there we go. So you get your 4-ounce bottle of shoe cleaner here. Now the instructions are, you're going to squirt some on the brush, squirt some in the water, and then we're going to get going. But y'all know me, I'm going to get it in. Gotta pour that out. So put some solution off in there. Going to get this little brush, as you can see. GOAT, greatest of all time shoe cleaner. And we're going to dip it in the water, and we're going to work it. the difference, man. Now, if you're comparing this shoe to this one, as you can see, lots better. Lots better. Hey, Gold Official. You know what I'm saying? So, link will be down in the description. Make sure that you guys use my code Kings23Kicks and get yourself 15% off of your purchase, man. You know what I'm saying? Use it as many times as you want. I greatly appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? For another edition of Sneaker Cleaning Sunday. To all my kings, make sure you stand up, rule your kingdom, and all my queens, stand beside your king. And always, always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace. Shoes just to show you guys how good these shoes clean. The clean just to show you. So I'm gonna get some squirts in the water. Well, but that'll be on the bloopers. All right, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. It's your boy Kings23Kicks. Peace.
Bottom moving straight to the top. Coming with the put up for the #1 spot. Pushing my rap like a pusher on the block. Holding my down, sucker rappers get lost.